Kota sa itimida soda. Ikasa masagiri kasa masijut.
Alo toke pegasi keda boda kanua tenis na yao ekadakada lo akinyet.
Ami kasa masayala masana krang. Dede ngebe inoi. Ako tina alo soroti, ako tina kita lukuna kaisare. Ele tulukumi kanya ule. Buga no ngole ke pole nyako ne be ila akinyet. Onu saya ngada ni piki lore. Mami pole tana de dede akite be yi.
Etadale tia lo akinyet derepan kai boda edam. Lo balasi anin karai jara kech.
Popane masa ke chupa ne vite lukumene tomonare. O chupa ne te lukumene tomon. Muri borcho mai so kwa gire beza gire chut. Me ba ne be ye bo ne be ka from no more price.
So ma on kwa boda. Onye do popana. Mame de yeute ne le chai. Adul ne ngona pa no re. Mambore akinyet dai. Ba ke ni lukumene tomon ngese price le di akere. So mama ngajeni kwa napuga na be ari osio.
Kunta ngalogok. Kokoru tenge pikipika nyona ngena aja stakota mutakinya to tau. O alogok to ne ara mairo na ngon. Da pupe nga pikipira kokoru ne pikipiki ngena bona dumu na kinyeta na. Kaya dumu ba kinyeta de keta ne be. Akinyete ba ke lukumini kanya ngon. Do kwa na ama mekiro singi chesiri na ba nyune wesina no ele ba rosto ba monyo ba atwana ne ya ngena. Kona pu mga pupe ya lama. Apin gulte pikipira ngara kene kale kene bo ara bicha no to makal.
Tama alo social de mama akinyet tama are kona sa akide no chupa do bo chupa de na tiona do munero no ye uguarte do so tama kerti mami gore beta do mo kesa bulu ka ko sa bugane tama do bere ngara ki soda tama do bere na ki soda akinyet
Atubuton ayaiton atukoto na taxis ko Katakwi Ivan ujangoleda emoyinoi
opana ijai sole kada amato kana disi do ranu didi kada kese kere tane no tamto soda kona yi ay mana ijar dido do pana ita masese to wani komento mana kanyalo se soro de girto se to da to sto wanyo ibasi wa ba ibasi ne pote fi kula bi komento mana yi ara chamaro sa to ada rete nga nyara bodia yi wala ji moto kana yo ngati to ngayo no stage jaw no kompande kada moto ke do pe boni ngeseri ke jai o stage ayo ngati moto kana anu boy nyo akiro no akinyet
Lo sekarai aradisi soroti filbat o chailap ngese bala ekota pugana kwenyunu na ara tionu tene agweleti boroda kanu ekadakada lo akinyet.
You know, this is a critical moment when Ugandans are really feeling very bad because none of them is explaining why the prices have gone up. And you know, in the country where the prices go up, it will affect even the economy of the country. Like, for instance, when you look at what is happening now in Uganda, the prices there have gone up. Transporting now, the transport sector has been affected. As you see that, I can see the border people now are packed. And for us, we are the RDs, when you pass by, you find the border smell, please give me something for lunch. That is a very, very bad thing. So it is our humble request that the prices of these fuel come down, and it should come lower than even 4,000. Because now in the Katakwi district, can you imagine in the Katakwi district, the fuel now is being sold at 10,000 per liter, and that's very expensive for you guys. And you know, when the prices go up, it has affected even the prices of other commodities.
Loijanga kingeteko Katakwi Joseph Olemukan ngese bala luegwela naleta kingeto chupai kezo amuna sinoi.
We used to sell fuel here at 4,900, but according to the content where it has reached now, outside there, the black market, some people sell at 10,000, 8, 7. The lowest is 7,000. And sometimes that type of fuel is duplicated. So those ones who are selling a pure one is at 10,000. So we actually beg the government to speed up the fuel prices. They should have negotiations at the border so that
Buy fuel at a high price. So that has forced us also to buy at a high price such that we get some little profit. Sometimes again, when our customers come and buy fuel, they keep on complaining so much. So that has brought pressure to us also. Government can help us. Let that be on a first note such that we shall be saved from this pressure.
Dilax Emi Alamu, Francis Ochen, TV is Katakwi.